Good morning children. I hope you all are in pink of health. Today we are going to revise addition and subtraction sums. Let's start addition with carrying of 3-digit numbers with grouping. This is the ones place, this is the tens place and this is the hundreds place. Let's add 267 and 125. Arrange both the numbers in columns. Starting from the ones place, first we will add 7 and 5. Do you think children that we have to regroup these numbers? Yes, we have to regroup. So let's start. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 2 will be placed in the ones column and 1 will be placed in tens column. Now let's add the tens column. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Place 9 in the tens column. Now next comes the hundreds column. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Place 3 in the hundreds column. So 267 plus 125 is equal to 392. Now children, we will revise regrouping of subtraction of 2 and 3 digits. Regrouping means borrowing. So let's start. Our first example is subtract 58 from 84. First we will put these numbers in the place value system. Then we will solve it. So let's start. Now we have put these numbers in the place value system. So we will start from ones place. We have 4 and 8 in the ones place. We have to subtract 8 from 4. But 4 is smaller than 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we will borrow 110 from the tens column. So after borrowing, this 4 will become 14. Now we can subtract 14 minus 8 is 6. Now in the tens place, 110 will be less. So 8 will become now 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So the answer we got is 26. Now our second example is subtract 389 from 647. So we have arranged these numbers in the place value system. Now in the ones place we have 7 and 9. We have to subtract 9 from 7. But 7 is smaller than 9. So we cannot subtract 9 from 7. So we will borrow 110 from the tens column. So this 7 will become now 17. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. Now in the tens place, 110 will be less. We have 4 in the tens place. So now 4 will become 3. From 3 we cannot subtract 8. So we will borrow 100 from the hundreds column. So this 3 will become now 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now in the hundreds place, this 6 will become 5. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer we got is 258. Okay, revise this all children. Thank you.